living well means staying educated. We're here at the Skytron Health Library, part of Metro Health, to let you know what's available to patients at Metro Health from an information standpoint. Dr. Matthew Sevensma is the cardiologist here. How important is this information to your patients?
Absolutely important. An educated patient really participates in their own care, and that's very important for patients to do that. They feel vested. They feel like they're moving in the right direction with their health care provider. The more that they know about their health problem, the more that they can help their health care provider.
Specifically dealing with hearts, because that's your business.
Absolutely.
There's a lot of specific information about what goes on in here.
Yeah, there's a lot of different symptoms you can have with different heart diseases, and if you know the symptoms to expect when they're worsening, or you're having a new problem, then that's something that you could tell your cardiologist soon, and they can intervene on your behalf.
Does it also help to ease the panicky feeling of a patient when they first get diagnosed with something?
Yeah, I think that patients feel better if they know about their health condition, and if they feel that they're somewhat in control of it, and that's what having some baseline knowledge about your health problems helps you with.
So having this open to the public is a really good thing.
Very, very important.
And it's more than just what's available in these books. You guys are high tech. You're
Absolutely.
online with that info. You want to show me what that's all about?
Yep.
All right. Well, we're here in the computer lab where Dr. Sevensma is actually going to take us through some of those online resources that are available. A great starting point here, WebMD.
I steer a lot of my patients to WebMD. This is a huge overseen website that has an infinite amount of health information on it. Eating and diet, healthy living, drug supplements, health A to Z, so a list of actual medical problems by name. Anything that you want to know about your health problems is basically here.
And WebMD is a credible source of information. Boy,
Absolutely.
there are so many sites online.
Yeah, and that's really important. You know, I always say to my patients, you can say anything you want on the internet. Make sure you're going to a nice, credible site, either something that is hospital-based, so you know the institution is overseeing it, or something like WebMD, which is kind of nationally recognized as a good literature site.
Now you're showing me another option here that actually allows patients to take their own heart information and put it into a tool.
Yeah, this is actually a program that's offered through the American Heart Association. It's called Heart 360, and allows patients to kind of track their heart problems over periods of time and be interactive with the American Heart Association specifically regarding alerts about certain trends and just seeing how they're doing with certain goals that they set for themselves.
That's fantastic. And so remember, sometimes with the help of your doctor, great information can help you live well, and it sometimes is just a click away. You know, it was so interesting talking to Dr. Sevensma. He's a fairly young guy, and just the way that the doctors at Metro are really embracing technology. And he says freely, he says, I want my patients to be informed, because as a doctor, you really want a patient to be a participant in their own health care. But there are a lot of lousy websites out there with just terrible information. And so he says, when my patients come to me, I give them the locations where they should go and read up, and then they come back to him with better questions, and they're all a better advocate for their own health care.
That's really nice, because healthcare kind of has a bad reputation right now, and to be able to hear that they're so willing to kind of be open to those things is really nice.
They said the best patient is the patient that wants to be an active participant in getting themselves healthy and staying that way. So yeah, it was really interesting, and Dr. Sevens is just a great guy.
Yeah, very nice.